How to build a money-making online routine using AI. Success online depends on one thing, your daily routine, not motivation, not talent, not luck. A simple routine powered by AI can help you post consistently, grow faster, and start earning online even if you are busy. Today, I show you the exact online routine beginners can use to build momentum and income. Section number 1. Why routine matters. Every creator you admire has a routine. It removes confusion, it removes overwhelm, and it builds results. Consistency is greater than intensity, and AI makes consistency easy. Section number 2. Your morning AI routine. Do this daily. Use ChatGPT for 10 minutes to generate content ideas, create hooks, outline your videos. This removes 90% of the thinking. Section number 3, your content creation routine. Record one short video, which should take you 5 minutes. Edit in CapCut, another 5 minutes. Then auto subtitle, 1 minute. Then export and post. AI tools turn what used to be for 12 minutes tasks into 10 minutes tasks. You become fast, you become consistent, you become unstoppable. Section number 4, your monetization routine. Daily, you must check your link clicks, reply to messages, answer comments, follow up leads, add people to your funnel. Then weekly, you must record one long video, update your email list, promote your main products. Your system runs smoothly when your routine stays simple. Section number 5, the growth routine. Every week, you must ensure you post one long YouTube video, 3 to 5 shorts, 7 status updates, then 1 email broadcast. This keeps your funnel alive, while AI keeps you consistent. Your routine keeps you going, your funnel keeps producing. AI doesn't replace your efforts, it only multiplies it. If you follow this routine for 30 days, your entire online journey will change. If you want the free AI starter kit to help you start immediately, the link is in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.